Hello students, welcome back to our video. So in the last video, the last thing that we discussed was about the fixed shop, and in that we saw the departmental stores and the chain stores. Now let's see the third type of fixed shops, that is mail order shops. What is mail order shops? The orders are received from the customers by sending catalog through post. Goods are also delivered through post, and payment of money is made through post at the time of the delivery of goods. Then it is called the mail order shops. Goods are delivered at the doorsteps of customers residing at faraway areas of the country. Such shops sells mostly the products that are light in weight, durable and costly. In short, these shops perform all the activities by post, from receiving order to the receipt of the payment. So in short, we can say mail order shops are those shops which receives the orders from the customers by sending the catalog. Catalog means like brochures, their catalog of the products, which products they are selling. So they send the first of all catalog to the customers and they receive the orders, and through post they deliver that goods to the customer at the doorsteps. That is known as the mail order shops. Next type of fixed shop is franchises. A special right is given by signing a contract with a company having a particular trademark or brand to sell its product or services, or to manufacture its products and sell it. Then it is called a franchisee. So, franchisee is a special right which is given by signing a contract with a company having a particular trademark or brand to sell its product or services, or right given to manufacture their products and sell it. That is known as the franchisees. This type of shops sells the goods on large scale in retail. Their methods of doing business, quality of goods, decorations of the shops are similar to that of parent company. Generally, parent company supplies the raw materials if the product is to be sold after manufacturing. For the parent company provides the improvement-oriented guidance by doing continuous supervisions. Parent company here is the main company. Parent company allows to use its trademark or brand, and in return of it receives the royalty from the seller at the fixed rate. The parent company imparts training to the employees of business unit obtaining franchises. Some refreshment houses, computer training centers provide goods and services under this system. The franchised company has to incur less advertisement expenses because of the advertisement published by the parent company. So, franchises is a special right which is given by signing a contract with the company to sell or to use the trademark or brand name to sell its products or services, or to manufacture its products and sell it. That is known as the franchises. Got it? And all the franchise shops are similar to the parent company. Parent company means the main company. Decoration, all these are similar to the parent company. Franchises company can be set up anywhere or can be opened anywhere in the country, but it should have the right with the company to use its trademark and the brand to sell its products. That is known as franchises. The next one is supermarket. Supermarket is a retail shop selling on large scale. It sells the products to the customers at reasonable price by purchasing large quantity from the reputed companies or the producers. This type of stores attract the small shopkeepers too. All types of products of daily requirement are sold in the supermarket. The supermarkets are located in various big city or town in a country. They are big sized from the viewpoint of the constructions. Got it? And you all are aware about the supermarket. In supermarket, various producers sells their products to the customers at a reasonable price, that is known as supermarket. The next one is shopping mall. Shopping mall is developed due to the change in departmental stores in modern time. The constructions of shopping mall is larger than the supermarket, in which many small big shops are commenced, or we can say are open under the ownership of a single person or more than one person. Various types of branded goods of daily requirement and luxurious products are available to the customers together at the same place. Efforts are made to attract the customers through various types of proposals of sales promotions. Competition among identical products of various producers is the specific characteristics of the shopping mall. So customers have wide opportunities of selection. Modern facilities such as refreshment house, entertainment department for children, Wi-Fi, auditorium, etc. are in the shopping mall. You all have gone to the shopping mall, so you all aware about the shopping mall. What is shopping mall? Got it? So this is also a type of the fixed shops. So now we are going to stop here. In the next video, we would be looking at the other methods of selling. So if you have any questions or any doubts, please feel free to comment below the video. Thank you.